Singani lesela mfafaza ngomfundo Masha. Sicela manje. Azimela sesambonani. Awuyathengana. Awuthengi. Manje ngicela amakhosikazi. Awusambonani lo. Naze nabahle webantu. Dayisani bafazi bagcwele dayisani ngehlala phansi. Nibahle nigqoka amaphinifa uyazi mbuka nami lami iphinifa. Lephinifa lami ngalithengela uma wami wayesebenza khona nalamakhosikazi edayisa ubuhlalo uMasithole. She came all the way from eBlackville waze ezofuna umsebenzi. Unfortunately wangawuthola umsebenzi njengento eyenzeka kuthina sonke, but wahlangana nomprofeti wamtshela ukuthi owakho umnotho usezandleni zakho. That's when aqala khona wakho baskidi wakho buhlalo babaningi nabanye abantu besifazane beza kodwa yebo kubandlululo amakhosikazi usithole kanzima angaphoyisa indlela ayibahlukumeza ngayo lapha eBeachfront athatha imisebenzi yabo ababophe babuye aphinda ayithatha imisebenzi yabo ababophe. But women did not give up. Baqhubeka ngoba babazi ukuthi into abayizelela ukuzosebenzela izingane zabo. Uma wami akazange azagule. Ngelinye ilanga wavuka wagqoka umNazaretha wakhe omuhle. Wagqoka inkehli yakhe ezilungiselela ukuthi ahamba inhlangakazi njengabo wonke amakhosikazi. Ngase ngithi kuyena Ntombi endala usukhulile. Hlala ubalinde babuye entabeni. Walala phansi. Egqoka umNazaretha wakhe omuhle. Ngahamba ekhaya. When I came back, wayesethulile.
Awu Ntombazane.
My mother did not get sick. She went straight to heaven. Kepha kwakusenhliziyweni yakhe nokwakusengqondweni yakhe ukusebenzela abantwana bakhe. Konke okuncane wayenzela thina.
Kumele sidle okuncane sikutholayo, kumele siqobe okuncane sikutholayo, kumele sihambisane
kungikhumbuza ukuthi uzabalazo wabantu besifazane mude uyaqhubeka usuka kubi kungikhumbuza amakhosikazi alapha eMkhumbane amakhosikazi imbokodo yasukuma ngesikhathi amadoda engasaphuzi kwawo ama-beer halls esephuza kuma-beer halls eseyekile ukuphuza ezawo iy'nkali. That was i-fight for i-economic freedom. It was not about iy'nkali, but nakhona babehlukumezekile. Kepha those women bahlangene sesithule bahlangana bagqoka amaphilifo like all of you. Kuthiwa bakhona ngisho amadoda abajoyina baqonda khona e-beer hall bathi ngeke sesivume ukuthi amadoda ethu akasezubuyisa imali emakhaya, akasezuthenga la. Kuthiwa kwafike bafika kwalesi women of uMkhumbane. Uyazi makhosikazi, ayithi umama esathi uphethe kahle isikali sakhe ethi uyodayisa, uzothiwa nansi imelo yenu, susi isikali phambi kwami. Uwakuthe nalo mzabalazo. Salusutula wawungekho. Induku sami zephuka zonke. Madoda sinendawo la. Tetuka mfana nansi imbobo please. Oh please. Tetuka mfana nansi imbuthungufu. What an achievement as a country. Today, we've got a month dedicated to women. I share any progress. You know, but kumfanele singabakhohlwa abasiletha kulesi sikhathi, women of 1956. Leya mbokodo yathi we are going to fight, angeke sivume ukuphatha amapasi njengamadoda. 20,000 women marched to the Union Building to let the Prime Minister, Mr. Stadium, know that they were not prepared to carry passes like men. Kwakukhona wena Ndiya, wena Khaladi, wena Mlungu, lalelani phela abanye abafazi bathatha zona ingane zabelungu bazitshatha emhlanje benzela phela ukuthi bangadubule wonke udubula umlungu ubelethe umlungu. That's how women were so wise. Qhubekile kwaqhubeka 2008 siyabona isifundazweni sethu kwaZulu Natal. Hayibo laba bobulilo bodwa maye sekuthiwa abakhululeke basadane. Sathi siyabona okokuqala esifundazweni sakwaZulu Natal sesinondunankulu wesifazane. When those women marched to the Union Building, they were told ukuthi they cannot see the Prime Minister whom they made the appointment in advance. Women were so angry. Bashisa amapasi. And then they sang angrily. What's in the When they came back home, babuyele emakhaya, amadoda ayemangele akakholwanga asethi Malimongwe igama lamakhosikazi. Hayibo sisuka kude nalo mzabalazo. Abathule hayi abasukude. Sisuka kude nalo mzabalazo. Salusuthula wawungekho. Nakho bese induku zami zephuka zonke
ukuthi phela siyavusa ngisho imimoya yalabo abalwela inkululeko, sivusa imimoya yalabo abasihambela phambili balungisa izinto abesifazane. Ngicela siyenze, but before we do that, ngicela nishaye izandla ezinkulu, nishaye izandla ezinkulu, nishayele uchoreographer uGabrieli Bingelo Senkolo kaMaria izothulisa indaba. Gabrieli, come. This is our